This is the 2 last Sundays of the month that Dylan's going to enter next gen because he's already hello po, good morning, because he's already turning 13. Good afternoon.
Pasayo na lang ang mga bag ko. Bag, bag.
Good afternoon. Dito tayo sa CCF. So, punta namin siya sa next gen. Oh, Dylan. Are you ready to be a teenager? Dylan. Ma'am Rich. Hi. Is Dylan ready? Huh? Wow. Ano na, next Sunday niya, that would be his last next gen. Kasi he's going to be a teenager. Dylan, hey, no. Oh, no. Teenager ka talaga. You. Bawal na mag-video, so dito lang tayo. This is a sort of an emotional day. Ang kulit lang talaga, may teenager na kami. Kaya may pagka-sarcastic na siya. So, ito ang CCF on Sunday, and thank you, Lord. What's your reaction? Dylan's already a teenager. It's the second to the last. We're gonna go up to... Nag-coffee na kami kanina eh. So, pwede na kami pumunta sa taas. So, tapos na kami mag-church. Nagpa-plan kami.
If the one in Landers has the
Fresh what? Fresh juice?
No, the big juices if we're gonna buy them.
Oh! Gusto ko naman si Dylan. So, tapos na yung church and a lot of people are going down. And, tayo ko sila. Dito sa next gym.
Wala ko lang yung points niya. So, kailangan talaga dali namin lahat. Pwede pa daw. First Sunday ng January.
Oh, wow! Meron ka pa! And then, hindi na pwede.
Hindi na siya pwede mag-church noon, pero pwede pa siya mag-babalik.
Okay.
Can we go home?
We just finished our... Who is that? Maverick! Where are you booking now? Hello, Maverick. Oh, she's here. Oh, wow. Someone's doing that. Of course. Hello. I thought you're in it on the vlog. Oh, now I'm silly. 2 bowls. Hello, Mommy Rich. Trying to mess with my family here. I got violations. Hindi pala pwede yun, no? Din typhoon. Oopsie. Hindi ako naka-live. Here we are at Din Tai Fung, the favorite of Dylan. Oops. Ooh. Hi. So we got inside Din Tai Fung na. And buti mabilis nila din kaming pinaupo na, no? So this is some of the appetizers na love talaga namin. So are you happy you finally got your Din Tai Fung? Appear. Oh, Mommy Rich, are you feeling better, Mommy Rich? Okay. While waiting for our food, it's gonna take 15 minutes past, so we're doing the sticker thing.
How you eat a xiaolong bao.
And this is how you eat the xiaolong bao. How is it? You show me. Show me later.
Tagal lang.
Nantayin lang namin yung xiaolong bao.
Mas mura pa din yung juice. 4K tayo dito.
Inaantay namin yung order namin sa Din Tai Fung. It's gonna take another 15 minutes or 10 siguro. So, ito yung rice na ano. Then it is one of my favorite na boba milk tea. Try natin.
My hand is so big.
Oh! Oh yeah, it's so small your baso. Sa amin ba siya o yung kabila? Sa kabila. Is that ours? Ayan. Ito, isi-serve na. Ito na. This is our 5 pieces na xiaolong bao. How do you eat the xiaolong bao? Can you show me?
Wait. I'll show.
Your Mommy Rich will show it to Tita Del. Thank you.
Here.
Sorry for our vlog, It's a little bit chaotic, but I want it to be as natural as possible, actually. Is
You need to make sure you have 1 part soy sauce, 3/4 vinegar, garlic. So it's up to you. If you wanna taste it, you dip it muna. Then you put it there. Kasi there is hot stuff inside. So you can buy
para hindi umano. Alright.
Tanggalin mo.
And then eat. Ooh.
Siya. Kasi may sabaw yan. Kung gusto mo pang i-dip. Tapos unti-unti mo kainin. Kasi may sabaw yan sa loob.
What are you going to do if a little kid is trying to get a xiaolong bao? Ayun. Alright. Kain na tayo. The 3-cup chicken.
3-cup chicken for sharing, ma'am.
Yes, yung shrimp na lang, no? Mango prawn. May mango prawn salad na lang. That's it. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you for this amazing meal. Kaming kumain. Hello, guys. Katya. Let's walk.
Ay, nakahirap i-redeem nito.
Ha? Hindi mo nagamit? Ang life namin pagkatapos namin kumain. Hello, guys. Satisfied ba kayo? Hello, guys. Ang daming tao sa walkway. So, sabi ko, mas magbablog kami more ng organic moments namin. Ito yung papunta ng Glorieta. Ang daming tao ngayon. Then church day din. So, oh, may iyak na bata. Very, very, very organic ang vlog natin today. And H&M. Puro sale ngayon. Tinan mo, the mall culture of the Philippines is very alive. So, pag papunta ka ng Glorieta, if you're from Greenbelt, tatawid ka lang. Ah, may iyak yung baby. Wow! Wow, baby! Tawid tayo. Daming tao.
Where are we going?
View ko sa Makati. Although busy street siya today. So, dito yung dalawa kong family members. Oops! Busy. May sa K-Park sa taas. And taas ng Glorieta. Pike's Coffee, yung favorite ni Mommy Rich. And you can see the skyline. You can rent. What's this new? Parang Korean restaurant, no? Fresco naman today. It's nice. It's about to rain. Maulan na.
See? Korea.
Kami sa bago na Glorieta in Rustans. And we're gonna go to the marketplace. Pagod na si Ate Rich. Oops! Tumatakbo. Oops! Oh, wow. I'm tired as well. We're gonna go inside. It's nice yung bago nilang ginawa. Na kami sa marketplace. Marketplace. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? This is a Filipino restaurant, Ravioli.
Oh, no way!
This is the marketplace. This is where my favorite eclair is. But we have already eaten eclairs. Ha? Of course you don't fit. Ala, tignan mo. Ala ka, hindi kinakasya dyan. Oy. Oh my gosh. You're expecting you can fit there? And what planet are you living in? Akala niya kasya pa siya dun.
Okay, now you have to delete that video.
No, that's the sweetest. Dylan. Hello, Dylan. Jolly time. Ano nang una natin? Ooh, you know, my favorite cheese. Dylan, nasa siya? Oh, what's that? Baygon. Ba't lumalapit ka sa Baygon? Are you Plankton? Ha?
Mahina yung amoy nung sa CR.
Ay, yung nakuha mo? Binuksan mo ba? Dapat yung Boracay ang kaunin mo. Baka kayo naka 50 off yun, no? Wala silang ano, nung kinuha ko na yun. Try mo siguro yung Glade na pang car. Baka mas ano.
Ocean Escape yata yung kinuha niya.
Hindi, Boracay. Yeah. Huwag kang kukuha ng Forest to Ambipure. Ito ba? Yung nasa taas.
May Siargao.
Ayan. Found it. May Baguio. May Siargao.
Naka 50%.
Found it.
Strawberries are better than Philippine strawberries.
Because they're not really better. They're just shipped from far away. So they're gonna be priced higher. It just looks like it. Doesn't mean it's true. Avocado? Tatry namin yung orange ni Rostans. Pure orange juice from Dizon Farms. And it's 720. Tatry ni Dylan. 720 siya per bottle pero pure. Kasi 90 pesos din per piece eh. Ayun, no? Ooh, ganda oh.
Whoa. It's just getting squished.
Yeah, it is. Kung may machine ka na ganyan, ano?
Be amazing. Kasi fresh talaga eh. You know it's fresh eh. Oh, that's why it's expensive because that's like what? 2 kilos?
Oo. 2 kilos pala.
2 kilos and 3 kilos na orange ko.
Mga
5 kilos?
15 piraso.
15.
5 pieces.
15.
Ilan?
15, 15.
15 pieces. Mga ilang kilo yun din? Isa?
Mga tatlo.
Ano ba?
Okay. Ito, ay, kuya. Teka lang, videoan ko lang. Tapos, magkano siya? Orange juice ng Dizon. Umabot siya ng 720. Perfect. Tapos na kaming mamili. Here's all the stuff. Here's your gamit, Mami Rich. We got some camembert, creamy camembert, because in Kotex. Salmon, ham, and everything. Tubong-bong kami dito sa Rostans. And meron din silang bibingka. So, 20 minutes ang luto time nila. Yeah, pasok na kami. Kasi, inaantay pa namin. Ayun, 20 minutes, sabi nila. Ayan. Iwan muna namin yung grocery dyan. Okay. It's okay. Hindi naman nagmamadali. Hello. So, you can actually sit here while waiting after you buy your grocery. This is the place. Butong, who's that? Inaantay namin yung aming puto bongbong dito sa Bellis. Oh, what a great day we had. Thank you, Lord. We're just waiting for our puto bongbong. And a Christmas in the Philippines. Ganyan lang talaga yung mga kasama ko, guys. Pero hindi lang talaga sila smiling face. Ganyan lang talaga yan. Ganyan lang talaga yung mga yan. Oh. Pero mga, oh.
Nothing against
Na, ganyan na talaga yan. Kalalawas pa lang ng tiyan yan, ganyan na yan. What did you do here, Sakuragi? Kasidilan. Let me see. Can we ask for more butter? Makapali ka pang mag-ask for more butter. May pauwi na kami. My gosh. Ito na ang aming sundo.